Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay Cash. Apple Pay Cash is super easy and here's why it's worth it. First, it's convenient. You can send, receive and request money right from the Messages app without needing extra apps or accounts. Perfect for splitting bills or paying friends instantly. Secondly, it's secure. Apple Pay Cash uses Face ID, Touch ID and encryption to keep your transactions safe, so you never have to worry about security. Third, it's fast. Payments are processed instantly between Apple devices and you can transfer money to your bank whenever you need it. It's also versatile. You can use Apple Pay Cash anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, online, in stores, or even in applications. And the best of all, there are no fees for sending money with a debit card, so it's cost effective too. But how do you set up Apple Pay Cash? First of all you have to do is open the setting application on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down just a bit until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. You have to click on Wallet and Apple Pay. A new page will open. On this page, you'll be able to see Apple Pay Cash. I have already set it up, but I will still let you know how to do it. Click on Apple Pay Cash again. A new page will open. From here, you'll be able to see some option called Transfer to Bank or Add Bank Account. So I will select Transfer to Bank. And on this page, all you have to do is click on Add a Bank Account. If you want to set up Apple Pay Cash with your credit or debit card, you can also select that. So if I want to add my bank account, all I need is routing number of my bank account and the account number of my bank. So I will enter or input the information and click on Next on the top right corner. And I have successfully set it up my Apple Pay Cash. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.